You got arrested for DUI last night. Right now you're wondering, am I going to jail? Here's the truth most attorneys won't tell you up front. Probably not. If this is your first DUI, nobody was injured and there's no major aggravating factor. In most California courts, jail time is almost always permitted to be served by alternative sentencing. This allows you to satisfy the requirement without ever being locked in a jail cell. Alternative sentencing can include things like sheriff's work project, home detention, or community service. What you're typically looking at in addition is probation, fines, DUI school, and a license suspension. Now here's where it gets more complicated, and this is where your specific facts matter.
Courts and prosecutors look at a few key things. Your blood alcohol concentration, or BAC.
If you were at or just above the legal limit of 0.08, that's very different from a 0.15 or a 0.20. A high BAC can trigger enhanced penalties, like longer programs or higher fines. How you were driving. A traffic stop for a broken taillight is different from weaving across 4 lanes at 90 miles an hour. The underlying driving pattern affects how the DA charges the case. Whether you refuse the chemical test, refusing the breath or blood test carries its own consequences, including a longer license suspension and, in some courts, a less favorable starting point with the prosecutor. California courts handle DUI differently across the state. Local practices matter more than people realize. Your prior record also plays a role. Even non-DUI priors can affect how a DA approaches your case. So, will you go to jail? For a true first offense, jail time is almost always permitted to be served by alternative sentencing, but usually isn't good enough when it's your freedom on the line.
Since 1994, the law offices of John Campanella has been defending DUI cases across California. If you want to talk through your specific situation, call us at 916-498-8460.
The call is free. The information is real. Visit californiadmvattorney.com or sacramentoduiinformation.com. Se habla español.